Clear a document feeder paper jam for the HP Officejet Pro 9720, 9720E, 9730, and 9730E wide format all-in-one printer series. If you are printing using the document feeder and the printer stops feeding pages and a document feeder jam error message displays, follow these steps to clear the jam. Step 1. Remove jammed paper from the document feeder. Lift the cover of the document feeder. Pull any jammed paper out of the rollers. Close the cover of the document feeder until it snaps into place. Lift the document feeder tray. Remove any jammed paper under the tray. Put the document feeder tray down. Lift the scanner lid to check for jammed paper. If any is located, remove it. Step 2. Reset the printer. With the printer turned on, disconnect the power cord from the printer. Unplug the power cord from the power source. Wait 60 seconds. Reconnect the power cord to a wall outlet and to the printer. Note: HP recommends plugging the printer directly into a wall outlet. Turn on the printer to complete the reset.